Hi guys!
Hi.
It's Caitlin and Allison Fagan of whatsupfagans.com, and today we have another cleaning tutorial for you. We're back in the kitchen again cleaning. You can catch our last video where we cleaned the cooktop, but today we're going to clean the stainless steel appliances. So we're going to be cleaning the outside of the microwave, which is very greasy and kind of gross, and the outside of the oven. We're going to be cleaning the outside of the oven. And then we're also going to be cleaning our fridge and our stainless steel toaster. We have a lot of stainless steel appliances, a lot of people do. And so we're using this great new product from Barkeeper's Friend. I love Barkeeper's Friend. So this is one of their new products on their line. It's available on Amazon. And Barkeeper's Friend Stainless Steel Cleaner and Polish. Barkeeper's Friend is sponsoring this post. So thank you, Barkeeper's Friend. So this is supposed to be really easy to use. Like you spray it on, you wipe it down with a cloth. There's no rinsing. There's nothing like that. It's got a nice spray little handle. So we're going to test it out and see how well it works. And I hope you'll enjoy it. First things first, from stop to spray. Now we're going to spray so we're just taking a microfiber cloth and wiping it all down. I probably put, whoop! I probably put too much cleaner in here, but I know that now for the next time. And I'm just wiping it down, smeared it around. It's doing a good job of getting everything off the first time without really having to scrub. Okay, we're gonna get that glass window too. Okay, so they say just wipe it down. And then when it's all kind of cleaned up and removed, all we're going to do is take the dry side of your cloth, or you can use a different cloth, and now you're just going to kind of buff it down to a nice shine. They also said it's best to go with the grain of your stainless steel. Now we're going to spray the back of our oven top, which always gets those greasy spots. And again, you want to wipe with your towel with the grain of the stainless steel. Going to take off all the dirt, grime, watermarks. I had a lot of watermarks. Just wipe it down with a wet washcloth. But then it always leaves those watermarks, which we hate so much. Okay, and after it's kind of just wiped down, use the clean side, dry side of your cloth and just buff it down. So it's nice and shiny. It'll be perfect. Now in order to clean the front part of this, the best thing to do is actually just pull these off. They just pop right off. Because these are so greasy and all that, you can just pop them in some soapy water. I don't have a bucket out right now, but I'm going to do that. You can come over here, do the same thing. Okay, once it's all removed, again, take your stainless steel Barkeeper's Friend and gently spray it on there. Spray the rest of your oven as well. Again, just start wiping with the dirty side. Go with the grain of your stainless steel. Get off all the grease and dirt and grime in one little wipe. No having to rinse. Just spray and go. Getting off all that grease there. It gets caught. If you see a little mark still, you can probably add a little more, but for the most part, the cloth just will get it all. Once they're dry and clean, you're just going to push them right back on. And they don't have a specific one they're assigned to, which makes it nice and easy. Ta-da! Does it look so much better? So the microwave, the stove, the oven, all the stainless steel is looking pretty good. And it's just a spray, wipe, buff, done. Easy peasy. The next stainless steel appliance we're going to clean is the handy toaster. We've had this toaster since we got married over 10 years ago, so it's been with us a long time. We've cleaned it off before, but it definitely is in need of a little attention right now. The first thing you want to do, of course, is unplug your toaster before you clean it or get wet or anything. And then the next thing you want to do is take out that tray in the back that collects all that stuff. We have a trash can here. I'm going to hold that up. A trash can here that we're just going to slide all those crumbs right into. And we'll rinse this off in the sink. No one sees this, I don't care. Another thing then, if you want to shake your toaster, get all the crumbs out, make sure it's more in order. Okay. All right, and then we'll just take this in the sink, and then we'll clean the outside real well with the Barkeeper's Friend stainless steel cleaner. All right, now we're just going to spray the outside real well, okay? And I'm also going to spray my tray. Okay, and now as everything's sprayed down, we're just going to take our microfiber cloth and we're going to wipe it down. Again, we're going to go with the grain. It's picking up a lot of the grease. It's awesome. Okay, now that's wiped down, I'm going to just buff it down and make sure we get that nice, clean, stainless steel shine that we all love. Looking pretty good. And that's it. And now it's beautiful. See down in there, on the top it's clean. On all the sides, hope I don't make any fingerprints on it. Beautiful. All right, so the last stainless steel appliance that we have in our kitchen is the fridge. It's that kind of darker stainless steel, but still stainless steel. It definitely gets water spots and kind of hard water spots, and then lots of fingerprints from my little kids. So we're gonna make this real easy, and we're gonna spray it down, wipe it down, and it shouldn't take very long. So let's get started. After you spray it, then we're going to take our cloth and we're going to wipe this way with the grain. I think it goes this way. I think it's kind of... Here. Barkeeper's Friend Stainless Steel Cleaner and Polish is designed and formulated to clean, shine, and protect stainless steel and other metal surfaces. Recommended for kitchen appliances, range hoods, sinks, faucets, countertops, grills, backsplashes, etc. Easily removes fingerprints, light residues, smudges, watermarks, and grease marks. Simply spray on, buff off. Fingerprint resistant formula also repels dust and light soils. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped you find a great new product. I am actually very pleasantly surprised at how well Barkeeper's Friend Stainless Steel Cleaner has worked on all my stainless steel appliances. And Allison's giving the thumbs up. A big thank you to Allison for being my assistant today, filming and taking pictures and other things, and cleaning. So thanks so much for watching. If you like cleaning tutorials, be sure to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.
Bye.